Ready to unlock the secrets to selling your products on Amazon using those all-important barcodes. First, let's head to Amazon Seller Central. Log in using your seller credentials. This is your command center for everything Amazon selling related. Now, navigate to the Inventory tab and click at this. Will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From the drop-down, you will select Add a product. This is the first step in listing your item for sale. This takes you to a new page with a search bar. If your product already exists on Amazon, you enter its name or barcode here, but since you're using your barcode to list a new product, we'll proceed differently. Click on Adding a product not sold on Amazon. This selection is crucial when you're introducing a brand new product to Amazon. Next, you'll be prompted to select your product's category. Carefully browse the categories until you find the one that best matches your item. Accuracy is key here. This is where your barcode saves the day. You'll now reach the product information page, where you'll input your nationwide barcode. Found it on your product's packaging, or you purchased a UPC or EAN code. You'll also need to fill in critical info, such as the product name, description, and brand. Be accurate. Also fill in the offer tab, including your price and the quantity of available items. Double check all the details, then click Save and Finish. Congratulations! You've successfully listed your product with its unique barcode. The listing can take a few moments to appear. Now, track your sales and adjust accordingly. Remember, accurate barcodes are crucial for inventory management and avoiding listing errors. Keep hustling, seller.